Hello, good morning, students. I am R.N. Jha from Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan Darbhanga. Today, I am going to teach you physics of class 9. Dear students, it is the first chapter, that is motion. The topic for today is speed. Dear students, this is the common word in our daily lives. We use this word almost, speed. What is its meaning? What does it express? Deal. Speed means rapidity of the object. Rapidity means this expresses whether the object is moving fast or slow. When we travel through a vehicle, sometimes we say the vehicle is running fastly. Sometimes we say it moves slowly. Object is moving fastly or slowly, which expresses it. That is its rapidity and it is speed. Now, how can we define speed? The definition of speed is the distance traveled in unit time by an object is called its speed. The distance traveled in unit. Unit means ones. Unit means one. One time, whatever the unit of time by object is called its speed. From this definition, we find the relationship between speed, distance traveled, and time taken, and it is expressed as speed is equal to distance traveled by time taken. Speed is equal to distance traveled by time taken. Now, suppose there is an object and it travels 5-meter distance in 1 second. The object travels 5-meter distance in 1 second. 5 meter divided by 1 second, that is equal to 5 meter per second. Means the speed of that object is 5 meter per second. Suppose a car is moving with 60 kilometer per hour. We see it from the speedometer, 60 kilometer per hour. What is its meaning? Its meaning is the car is traveling. Car is traveling and it covers 60 kilometer distance in 1 hour. In 1 hour, the car travels 60 kilometer distance. Therefore, its speed is 60 kilometer per hour. Dear students, its SI unit. Now, what is the SI unit of speed? From the relation you find speed is equal to distance traveled by time taken. The SI unit of distance, that is meter, and the SI unit of time taken, that is second. Meter divided by second, that is called meter per second. Meter per second. And to represent it, just we write m. M per second. M for meter, S for second. In short way, we indicate m per s, means meter per second. That is the SI unit of speed. Now, what type of physical quantity is this one? Speed. By definition, you know the distance traveled. Distance. It is scalar quantity. It is not vector quantity. By time, second. Therefore, speed is an scalar quantity. Speed is an scalar quantity. It is not vector, it is scalar, because speed does not depend on direction. Just it requires magnitude. Just it requires magnitude, means numeral value. It does not require direction, therefore it is scalar quantity. As you say 60 kilometer per hour, 60 kilometer per hour, that is magnitude, that is the numeral value. It does not include direction. Since it has only magnitude, therefore it is scalar quantity. Now we learnt from this definition of speed: distance traveled in unit time, that is speed. You may find speed equal to distance traveled divided by time taken. From this relation you may find SI unit, and since it does not include, it does not require direction, therefore it is physical scalar quantity. This physical quantity is scalar quantity, not vector, because it does not require direction. Now we will learn more about uniform, non-uniform and average speed in the next video. Till then, thank you very much.